Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on GameStop, especially after Robinhood lifted the limits yesterday, and they're letting you buy upwards of 500 shares of GameStop and 5,500 shares of AMC. I don't want to say that I'm not exactly happy, but I'm not happy, right? I mean, usually there's a pretty good gauge of where movement is headed towards on at pre-market, especially after news like yesterday that Robinhood lifted the limits of shares that you can purchase from GameStop and AMC. I haven't really seen any big movements pre-market, right? I mean, we're at $94 right now pre-market from closing yesterday, like around the $92 level. So it is up slightly. I do think we're going to be trading sideways. I'm just going to be completely honest. I'm not going to be holding my breath today about GameStop mooning or AMC mooning, right? Like it just doesn't make sense because there have been no big or huge pre-market moves, and I do think that as of right now we're probably going to trade flat. I hope that I'm wrong, because I do need AMC to like shoot up to the stars, but it just seems this way, right? You guys know that I don't like doing biases, even though I'm holding a certain share or stock or options, right? I look at charts and I just kind of say it how I see it. As of right now, it just looks like we're going sideways. It looks like we're either going to go sideways, maybe trade up a little bit, maybe hit these levels again, like 105 or maybe 110, 115, whatever, right? We might stay around this range, but I don't think we're going to moon today. I don't think that's going to be the case. I don't think we're going to go shoot all the way back to like 250 bucks today because the share limit was lifted, right? It just doesn't make sense because usually when GameStop and AMC we do see those huge move towards the upside. You can tell because there's huge moves on the pre-market levels, right? So it kind of sucks, I don't want to say that because that basically just kind of confirms that my AMC options are more than likely going to expire useless. Like I already told you guys, it was my YOLO play last week. It was about 14K, and I'm just like, I'm fine that it's like if it goes down the drain, I'm fine, right? I already made so much fucking money on GameStop that it's a small part of my portfolio. But as of right now, it does look like GameStop and AMC are going to be trading sideways or maybe down or just kind of stay in this price range between here and like here. Unfortunately, that's how I see it, right? Hopefully I'm wrong, but as far as right now, I don't think GameStop or AMC are going to do anything crazy today.